Acadia is a publicly traded REIT that primarily focuses in commercial real estate. Acadia has been using Insight Software and Spreadsheet Server for about 11 years, and we use it every day, integrate it completely into the product. When we use Insight Software Spreadsheet Server, when we export from MRI, the data sometimes isn't exactly in the format that we need for certain ad hoc requests and whatnot. So staying within Spreadsheet Server and Excel gives us more flexibility to do repetitive ad hoc queries within Excel. With Insight Software Spreadsheet Server product, we use it in a multitude of different ways. There are around 30 people company-wide that use it daily, from our accounting to asset management teams, and even our construction and property management teams utilize it a bit. We send reports to external parties like our auditors using the distribution manager function, and that just converts all Spreadsheet Server formulas, which are the database formulas, directly into hard values so the auditors can always read their reports, and everything just comes smoothly in a very clear, concise package. The integration with Spreadsheet Server has made our lives immensely easier. We probably save around, just myself, around 10 hours a month, just keeping all within Excel, all the custom financials and whatnot. Insight Software has been extremely helpful whenever we've needed assistance, whether it be building a custom template for reports, or if we wanted to do a little bit something more with like distribution manager. We've always gotten the help we've needed from Insight Software and their support team. Definitely go with Insight Software Spreadsheet Server. The capabilities are amazing, and it's been a incredible time saver for us at Acadia Realty Trust.